Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert emojis in Excel worksheet. Before we proceed to the video, in case if you are interested to learn about Microsoft Excel, then please consider subscribing to my channel as I will be uploading videos on Excel tips, tricks and also shortcuts. Now let us get started with the video. So I will show you two examples on how to insert emoji. So the first example will be using the custom formatting, and the second example on how to insert emojis will be using the Excel functions. So here the data set has information on the players and also the scores. So using this data, I will show you how to insert emojis using custom formatting. So first of all, the shortcut to insert emoji is Windows and semicolon. Right, on your keyboard you need to press Windows and semicolon to insert emojis like this. So first here we need to select the scores and then press Ctrl 1. Before that, first we need to copy our emojis. So here the criteria is if the scores are above 100, then we will be using this the first emoji, right? And if the scores are greater than 50, then we will be using this rising hands emoji. And if the scores are below 50, then we will be using this thumbs down emoji, right? So now let us copy this all the emojis and select the scores and then press Ctrl 1 and then go to custom, and here let us paste the emojis, right? Now let us write the custom formatting. So open the square bracket, greater than 100, close the square bracket, use double quotations and semicolons, and again open square bracket, greater than 50, close the square bracket, double quotations and double quotations again, semicolon, and if the scores are less than 50, then we will be using this thumbs down emoji. So this is the custom formatting. Now click on OK. So here you can see based on our criteria and condition, these are the emoji actions for all the scores. So if the scores are below 50, then we use this thumbs down, right? And if the scores are above 100, then we use this star string emoji. And if the scores are above 50, then we use this raising hands emoji, right? So this is how you can use insert emojis using custom formatting. Now let us look at the second example. So in this data set, I have the months and also the sales target, the actual sales, and here we will be inserting our emojis using if condition. So right, we will be using the if function to insert our emojis. So let us write the if function here is equal to if, open the bracket. The logical test here will be the actual sales. If the actual sales are greater than or equal to the sales target, then is equal to, so what will be the emoji here? So double quotations. So here I will be using Windows and semicolon, and I will be using the thumbs up emoji if the actual sales are greater than the sales target, and again double quotations comma, if the actual sales are less than sales target, then I will be using this uh, thumbs down emoji. So Windows and semicolon and thumbs down emoji. So if the actual sales are less than sales target, then I will be using this thumbs down emoji. Now again function, uh, um, close the function with double quotations and also end the formula with uh, close brackets. Now click on OK. Now we can simply drag this till the bottom, and here you can see we got all our emojis. So in the first example you can see In the first row, you can see because the actual sales are less than the sales target, we got thumbs down emoji. And in the second row, you can see the actual sales are greater than the sales target. That is why we got thumbs up emoji. So this is how you can use the if function to insert emojis. So these are the two use cases of inserting emojis in your Excel worksheet. So I hope this information was useful to you. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Excel. Thank you.